Hey guys, I'm Michael Zelek, Executive Director of the Operant Learning Center. Today we're going to be going over the screening tool and the checklist. So for the screening tool, it's a Google form where you just have to put in your email address, the date, whether or not you've had any exposure to COVID-19, and yes or no if you've had any symptoms. If you check yes to any of those questions, you will be prompted to call out or move your session to telehealth. The first step of the checklist is the pre-arrival for clients. So staff have to complete their screening tool prior to arriving to the clinic. The next step is going to be to wash your hands for at least 20 seconds or use hand sanitizer of 60% alcohol or more. The following step is going to be disinfecting all surfaces and materials that are touched. This includes the major things like doorknobs, toys, tables, and also includes the smaller things such as light switches, pens, pencils, puzzle pieces, anything that will be touched. The next step is to make sure that we're not using any materials that cannot be safely disinfected. For the next section, we're going to be talking about what to do when the clients arrive. We're going to make sure that they either wash their hands for 20 seconds upon arrival or at least use hand sanitizer. With other learners, we've had to provide choice of do you want a pump hand sanitizer or a spray hand sanitizer. You need to make sure that you are meeting your learners outside of the building, escorting them inside the building, ensuring that they don't touch any other surfaces. While they are outside, we need to make sure that we are recording their temperature, and anything below 100 degrees is good. They're good to come in. Anything above that, they're going to have to be sent home with their parents, and the session will have to be canceled. Next stage, we're going to talk about what to do when your learners have to use the bathroom. First, we are going to go in and disinfect the bathroom prior to them entering. This could include toilets, sinks, anything that they could be exposed to. Next, you're going to prompt your learner as necessary. Then you're going to prompt your learner to wash their hands for at least 20 seconds. Then you're going to go back, disinfect everything they touched, and then you're going to go back in and wash your hands for 20 seconds. What to do when it's time for your learners to eat or when they want to drink. You need to wipe down and disinfect the area. Then you're going to prompt your learner to wash their hands for 20 seconds or use the hand sanitizer. Then you're going to wash your hands for 20 seconds, prompt them and assist them with their eating. And then after they eat, wipe the table down again and make sure you wash both your hands and the learner's hands for 20 seconds. So when the learner is departing, we're going to prompt the learner to wash their hands for 20 seconds. You're going to wash your hands for 20 seconds and then make sure that you escort the learner outside the facility to their car. What are we going to do after the learner leaves before the staff leave? We need to make sure we go through and disinfect all touch surfaces again. Everything from doorknobs to light switches, pens, pencils, tables, toys, puzzles, you name it, it needs to be disinfected. You will then wash your hands for at least 20 seconds, and then you will turn your checklist into the site supervisor.